Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python series. In today's class, we are going to learn one of the most powerful and useful data types in Python, that is dictionaries. Before starting this topic, I would like to tell you that once you understand this, your Python skills will level up instantly. जिस तरह से हम अपनी रियल लाइफ में डिक्शनरी का यूज़ करते हैं वर्ड्स का मीनिंग ढूंढने के लिए, सिमिलरली पाइथन अपनी डिक्शनरी का यूज़ करता है की वैल्यू पेयर्स में जानकारी स्टोर करने के लिए, राइट? थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक की इज़ द नेम and value is the information about that name. For example, if you want to store someone's name, so here name is the key and Radhika is the value, right? A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Basically, ordered means items stay in the same order, and changeable means you can update or change values anytime. And do not allow duplicates means you cannot have two keys with the same name, right?